We're going to take a look at proportionality in tables. One way to find proportionality in tables is to see if the ratio of y and x creates equivalent ratios all through the table. Here we have money being compared to hours, money being our y, and hours being our x. So if I were to write the first ratio, I would get 9 over 1. Now if I were to write the second ratio, I would get 18 over 2, which simplifies to 9 over 1. 27 over 3 also simplifies to 9 over 1, and 36 over 4 also simplifies to 9 over 1. So, are all the ratios of y and x equivalent? Yes. So this graph shows proportionality. Now in this case, we can see houses being compared to doors. The ratio is 2 to 1 for the first row. Then we have 5 over 2 for the second row. If I were to simplify that, I would not get 2 over 1. However, 6 over 3 would give me 2 over 1. If I were to simplify 8 over 4, I would also get 2 over 1. However, since this does not yield 2 over 1, we do not have equivalent ratios, so the answer here is no, and the second graph does not show proportionality.